Hello from Hengehold Trucks. Take a look at this 2023 Ford Transit 250 with 19,634 miles. Drink it in. I'll wait. Stick around to the end of this video to hear this baby's engine purr. This vehicle's highlights include Bluetooth, keyless entry, a cargo partition, cargo control slats, a backup camera, and more. It is eligible for a Section 179 tax write-off. Businesses have counted on Hengehold trucks for over 75 years. Every truck we sell is carefully selected, inspected, and serviced for reliability. We don't do gimmicks or shortcuts, just quality trucks, fair deals, and a handshake you can count on. At Hengehold, it's more than a truck. It's your business,